How to turn off Instagram map. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the DM icon on the top right of your screen and you will then see the option for map. Tap on the map option and you will be led to Instagram Maps. So in here, go ahead and tap on the gear-like icon on the top right of your screen and you will be led to this type of interface. Here, tap on the no one option you see there and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the until you turn it back on option, and with this, your Instagram location will no longer be shared with anyone, meaning it will be disabled. So this is how you can turn off Instagram map. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.